Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this triple picture frame that you see on the screen right now. And we'll make a macro at the end, and you'll be able to change the pictures right on the edit page in the inspector. I'll leave the pictures in the description below if you want to follow along. Start out on the edit page, go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. And go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I'll get this out of the way right now. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. So we'll be up there in the way, on and off. Trust me, it annoys me more than it will you. Start out with the background. Take the alpha all the way down. We can go to one viewer for this. With the background selected, hit a merge. Click away right about here. Shift space and loader. You may have to navigate to your pictures. Mine's taking me right there because I've already been there. Type it in the merge and select the merge. Go to the inspector. Make the size 1.175. These pictures are all 1080 by 1920. And on the center X, go 0.17. And then get a rectangle. Type it in the mask. Take the height all the way up. And the width, 0.331. And then take the center X to 0.17. Select the merge again. And get another merge. Right click on the rectangle. Copy. Click away right here. Right click and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. The little green line indicates it's connected. And everything highlighted in green, and if it's not highlighted in green, is the indicator that's still coupled to the original node. You can de-instance anything. We're going to do one, which will be the solid. Let's get another background. Then select the instance. Go to the solid, right click, and de-instance. Then uncheck it. Take the border width to 0.01. And then select the background. And set your default color. And select the merge to, and add another merge. Click away right about here. Actually, before we do that, go back to the rectangle. On the height, go 0.99. Okay, now click away right here. Shift space and loader again. Click on the merge 3 and change the size 1.175. Right click on the first rectangle. Copy. Click away right here and just paste. Type it in the merge. Select it. And double click on the center to recenter it. Right click on the rectangle. Copy. Click away and paste instance. Now right click on the background. 2. Copy. Click away right here, right click, and paste instance. Merge it in like that. Select the instance. Go to solid, right click, and de-instance. Uncheck it. And select the merge 4. Add another one. Click away right about here. Shift space, and another loader. Select the merge 5. And take the center X to 0.83. Select this rectangle here. Right click. Copy. Click away and paste. Then go to the inspector and put in 0.83 the center X. Select the merge 5 and get another one. Right click on the rectangle. Copy. Click away right here. Right click and paste instance. Now go to the background instance. Right click. Copy. Click away right here. Right click and paste instance. Select the instance. Right click on the solid and de-instance. Uncheck it. We have to add a resize node to each one of these. I want to show you why before I do it. In the loader node is where you have the ability to replace the picture. So select the browse, the top one. These 3 pictures here are all different sizes, smaller than the ones we're using. This one's 400 by 710. You can use any size as long as within that format of 720 by 1280 or 1080 by 1920 or 4K, but as long as it's that dimension, it can be any size. I selected it, you'll see it isn't fitting. So with that selected, shift space and resize. And then hit reset size. Now if I change it and put that in, it'll fit. Select the second loader, shift space, and resize again. And make sure you hit reset size. And we'll do the last one. I'm seeing here, I missed setting this merge up. Sorry about that. And there we have it. Let's rename this background to border color. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down and select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Delete file name and put in left picture. Loader 2. Put in center picture. Loader 3. Put in right picture. And border color. Put border in front of color. Go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here's where you're going to want to make your folder. Put your preset in. I recommend make it a little different. Put an underscore or something in. If it's exactly the same, Resolve won't recognize it. Hit save. Close your macro and we'll go find it. Here's the one we just made. Click on it. Go to the inspector. And for border color, and you'll see all them sizes will fit now. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.